Z-Shot is a Blender add-on that turns your 3D objects into alpha brushes, trims, decal textures, masks, or icons. There's no preparation like scene setup, camera placement, or shader creation necessary. Simply choose a mode, adjust your output settings, hit the render button, and it's done. Since it's using Eevee in the background for most render modes, it is also super fast. After rendering, you can even combine your maps into channel-packed RGB masks with just a few clicks. Let's go over some of the settings and features. The Alpha Brush mode is for rendering grayscale textures that can be used for sculpting. Basically, you just need to select your object in the 3D viewport and hit the render button. If you have several objects, you can also choose to render the whole active collection. Z-Shot will automatically set the frame for your objects. You can render square images, let the image fit your selection, or pad it up to a fixed ratio. Or you can simply choose another 3D object to be your canvas. Each render mode comes with its own settings. The Alpha Brush mode, for example, lets you choose between a combined or individual height range. The height mode renders a height map that can go into positive and negative direction. It simply uses the object's origin to determine the neutral gray mid-level, so there's no need to measure and adjust height or size values manually, which is usually required when baking height maps. A map like this can also be used for sculpting, by the way. The other render modes include normals, ambient occlusion, curvature, BSDF material attributes, and a few more. For more information, feel free to look up the online documentation.